So welcome back. This is the tutorial on how to create and change pages. So you probably will have just watched the building sections website. So now what happens in this bit is you've been currently in this tab, in the build tab. What you're then going to do is it won't change anything on the actual website, but you're going to click on pages. Now you can see a list of all of the different pages that are on this website. Currently, the only one that is not public is CAP, and that is just simply done through clicking on the menu, and then where it says visibility, you can then restrict it. So currently, it's just under site password, so therefore it's not public. But you can change it to select members of specific people if you want to change it later down the line. So then keep going back. Now, within each section, to create a new page, so there's two different types of pages on here. There's the home page, which is its own page where everything else, all the sections are in, where the welcome notice is, and other stuff like that. All these other pages are non-click menus. So if we go to add, the little plus button, you then get different options. So Dave's thought for the month, there's a blog page. If we end up wanting to sell things anywhere, product and category pages are very important. An external page, which will take you to an external website, so clicking on the link at the top will take you to a church suite or something like that. A non-clickable menu is the sections, so if you want to have something at the top that then has a drop-down menu, you want to have a non-clickable menu. So for instance, down here we've got Cluedo. So if you want to create a new website under Cluedo, let's say you've created a brand new page, you want a standard page, which is what most of the pages are, then let's call it Cluedo Babies, because babies are cool. Then making sure that you've got a header, a visibility, and SEO. Don't worry about these. This will be filled in most of the time by it will have been filled in. So you've got Cluedo Babies. This is then a page under here. Now making sure that you drag it up, and where most of the pages are completely left aligned, so they're right on the edge, you want to make sure that when you drag it up to Cluedo, that it's nestled in the same line down here under Cluedo. Otherwise, it becomes its own little thing, which then gets a bit complicated. So, Cluedo Babies, you've now created a page. So if you click on your Cluedo Babies, you can come over here and find Cluedo Babies. It then appears. Click on it, and then you can start editing, creating sections, making sure that you've come away from the pages and you go to build instead. If at any point you want to change the theme, you shouldn't really need to, then this is the section. But otherwise, if you want to add in new apps, there are lots of different apps that you can add. So if you want to, so people can like our Facebook page just through visiting the website, then that's possible. If at any point down the line you get an Instagram feed, then that can be added. It's just worth having a little look and seeing if there's anything that you guys want to add on. But otherwise, you then go to close once you're happy with that. Settings are just general stuff. Those don't really need to be changed unless something goes wrong. Now, you've made that page. If you want to delete it, you just click on it again. So I've gone back from pages and then click delete, and then delete, and it is that simple.